7 minus 0, 0 minus 7. 7 minus 0, 7. 0 minus 7, minus 7. Answer is minus 49. That is wrong. 7 minus 0, 0 minus 7. According to PEMDAS rule. First we solve parentheses. So 7 minus 0, 0 minus 7. Answer minus 7. Multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. So first we do multiplication. 0 into minus 7, 0. 7 minus 0, 7. So answer is 7, not 49, minus 49. Answer is 7. Thanks for watching.